What's up, everybody? This is Dorian. Let's go get a spicy chicken sandwich from Jaybirds. Follow me on Instagram. DMs are always open. What's up, everybody? This is the spicy chicken sandwich at Jaybirds. Let's dig in. So there's been a huge craze on the spicy chicken sandwich the last couple of years. You guys probably heard of Howlin' Rays. They are really good. However, there's always lines out the door, 2-hour wait sometimes. Jaybird is a very close second in Long Beach. No lines tonight. For about the same price, you also get 2 sides. I went with the fries, crinkle cut. Their ketchup's really good, it's spicy. This is their potato salad. I've actually never had the potato salad before, so. Good potatoes, celery, eggs, mayo. None of that crazy shit like raisins. But yeah, anyway, you guys should definitely check it out. It's by the Long Beach airport. I went today, there was no lines. Food came out super quick. Delicious. But yeah, I'm slowly starting to run out of places to eat. So if you guys think I should go somewhere that you haven't seen yet, leave a comment below. See you in the next one. Peace.